Welcome back to You Can Do It, in our Henry series now. Basically, I revived this from, this was all sort of covered in grime and leaves and everything in a basement, and one of ours, and basically, right, these are completely shot. Look, it's all broken up and everything, and they were stiff as hell. I put some WD-40 in it, and that's made them better, but they won't roll. So I bought some new ones here off eBay. They've arrived. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to take. I've got this one out, but I need to show you how to get these out because they're not particularly easy, despite what you see on the internet. Right? So there's a. If you just, this has been fit for years here, so not used, so you won't get any stiffer than these ones, right? But you can still pull that like that, and you need to get yourself a screwdriver under that bit. But before we do that, what we'll do is we will pop off this one here. So put this will pop the whole sort of wheel unit off. I'll need two hands. I'm just going to put that down there and lever up. Okay. So I've done that. Look, and that pops off. And the reason that we get that off is it then allows us to get something like that on there, like that. Grab that tight, and then you can move it like that. And then if you've got some, just spray a little bit of WD-40 in there, just to sort of loosen that up and make that a little bit more slippery. Now, what you've got to be really careful here is if you put a screwdriver under there and just start trying to wrench that out, you're going to end up splitting or cracking the plastic, especially if this is old, because it can tend to go a bit harder. So you've got to be careful how we get this out. So what I've found is if we twist it like that, as we get something like that underneath it, to lever at the same time. So you're levering it and you're twisting it at the same time. So let me just have a quick go at that. And unfortunately, I'll just set up a tripod. Actually, you might be able to see that. I'll just have it. Let me set up a tripod. Okay, look. So we pull that like that. We've got that like that, and I'm just gonna rotate it there. Look, you can see it's come out a bit further. There we are. She's out, look, and we haven't damaged that. We haven't damaged that surface there, you see. So that literally just goes in there, and the plastic sticks in there. Right. So that's how you get that one out. There's the new one. This is apparently a genuine one. I bought two. Look, genuine one. So we've got that one out. Put a bit of WD-40 in there, and then literally put it in there. I'll put that in there, and I'll just push that with my hands in there and clip it in. Have you finished all your homework? That's good. Right, let me just.
I'm just gonna stick that page into my book.
Yeah, good. Well done.
And then I don't have any.
Well done. All right. So I'm just getting an update from the daughter there. So I'm going to push that in by hand now. I'm going to push that in there. All right. So look, I'll push that in. Now what I'm going to do? Got the other new one. I'll put that in there. There we are. So now what I do is I've taken the top off it. I've rested that on the floor there, and then I can put all my weight on over the top of these things, and it will clip in. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm pushing down here on top of that layer, look, and that'll push that in. All right, they went in there. They've gone in there fine. Look, so we've got a new set of wheels on there. Now, when you take the old ones off, I've seen a few on the internet where it looks like really easy, just pull them out. Believe me, if it's old, it ain't just pulling out like that. It's going to take a little bit more work, and be really, really careful not to damage or split this plastic here. So remember to take them off, you put that like that, you pull that out so that you get a gap between the back of it, and you need to basically lever that up. I suggest taking that off, ripping this plastic one off first, so you're just left with the stud, and then you can work on that stud by turning it and levering at the same time. But basically, we've now completely rebuilt our Henry. So I'll put the lid back on, and it's good to go. Hope this video has helped someone. Please subscribe or like the channel. You can do it.